Good boy.
Hey everyone, Gregfilms here. Today me and Buddy are excited to show you the new Insta360 pet harness, designed specifically for the Insta360 Go 3S. It's the ideal accessory for capturing those pet moments from their perspective. So let's dive right in. The pet harness box includes a harness available in various sizes to fit your pet, as shown on the chart. This harness is suitable for both dogs and cats. It also includes the horizontal and vertical action mounts to make sure your Go 3 or your Go 3S is safe and protected on your pet. There is also a 3-prong base and an extension support rod base, allowing you to capture different angles when recording from your pet's perspective. To set up the harness, begin by connecting your chosen base, twist the 3-prong base while pushing the button. Once secured, attach the horizontal mount to the base using the included thumb screw. After this, securely attach your Go 3S, and you can also use the vertical mount system for social media purposes, setting up the same way as the horizontal mount. Once the harness is set on your furry friend, you're almost ready to start creating fun content. Before you begin, set your Go 3S to 4K at 30 frames per second. You can also use the action pod for your Go 3S to perfectly frame your pet's head and adjust the camera angle for the best results. Now press record to capture clips like this. To achieve a higher perspective with your pet, use the extension rod mount. This will allow you to capture shots similar to this. Another way to utilise the pet harness is by using the mount on the chest area, allowing you to capture unique angles from below your pet. The harness is crafted from a high quality fabric designed for optimal comfort and durability. This material is breathable to ensure your pet stays cool, wear resistant to withstand daily use, and easy to clean, making it convenient for regular maintenance and long-term use. Additionally, the design team has also included a part where you can connect a leash, making this harness not just an accessory, but also a practical option for everyday use with your pet. You can also utilize the new interval video mode by swiping down and selecting the camera icon labeled Auto. Choose the dog mode and adjust the settings to your preference. Then reconnect the Go 3S to the action mount, set up the harness, and let your pet roam free. After some time, put your Go 3S back into the pod and connect it to the Insta360 app. Once your camera is connected, begin by selecting the Edit tab and choose the new Auto Edit feature. Then scroll through your clips and pick the ones featuring your pet having fun. Allow the AI to take over from there. It will analyse the selected clips and craft a delightful montage of your pet's adventures from their perspective, capturing all the playful and exciting moments. This way you'll have a beautifully edited video showcasing your pet's unique experiences, ready to share all over social media. And there you have it, a quick look at the new pet harness, now available on the Insta360 store. Whether your dog is running, playing, or exploring, you can now see the world through their eyes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for weekly updates and tutorials. Until next time, happy shooting.